Whether brewing systems, water factories, soft drink lines or production facilities for juice products, as well as dairy plants, according to the current standards, we offer process equipment for all output ranges for various segments and markets. Would you like to conquer the mass market or produce exquisite beverages for connoisseurs, set efficiency records or establish a factory? Whatever our clients plan, we can provide them with the appropriate tool, which can make their ideas become a reality. How we manage this? Quite simply, from a wide portfolio, including Krones, Steinecker and HST process equipment, we pick the appropriate component for each process step. And all of our products are uncomplicated team players, which allows us to combine them to a harmonious and effective complete solution in your factory. This opens up an enormous range of options, including the standard package for beginners to highly specialized factories operating in a 3-shift mode.